Hello guys, today we are unboxing the Mambatek M271 Evo 330 plus horsepower turbo kit. This setup replaces everything inside the turbo and even requires CNC machining for the install. It's built to push the turbo to its absolute limit. We are moving maximum air through a larger compressor and turbine wheel. I'm super excited to install this on my C250, and with all the other upgrades we got planned, this could be the world's highest performing C250. The current record sits at 320 horsepower from Greece. Let's see if we can beat it once everything's set up and running. But for now, let's take a look at what's inside the kit. So inside the white box we have the compressor wheel. It's a 54mm. Then we got the repair kit with bearings, seals and all the small parts. I'm not sure if they're reinforced, but the idea is pretty clear. Everything's fresh and ready when you upgrade it. Here we got the turbo muffler delete, the adjustable turbo actuator, and the turbine wheel. So this is the 54mm wheel. The original one is 51mm, and check this out. The stock wheel doesn't have an extended tip, but this one does. It's a mind-blowing 57.7mm at the tip. That's over half a centimeter more than stock. Next up, the turbo muffler delete. In the original turbo muffler, there's a lot of airflow disruption. It's mainly there for noise reduction, but we're chasing power, so obviously that has to go. According to Mambatek, this upgrade alone could add around 10 horsepower. Personally, I don't think that's possible with a proper tune, but I'll be using either the Mambatek or Modelworks muffler delete. Also, I would like to point out that the build quality of the muffler delete is better than expected. It's a high quality metal. Let's unbox the turbine wheel. We got some nice numbers here as well. It's 45mm in size, and because of the large compressor wheel, we also need a larger turbine wheel to balance it out. It's a 9-blade configuration made from Inconel 713C, a high temperature alloy, and hopefully it'll keep the turbo spinning at maximum efficiency. So here again, we got the turbo actuator. It comes with a variety of springs that ranges all the way from 0.3 to 2.5 bars, which is absolutely insane. You have to have a 3mm preload, and you can actually adjust the turbo pressure according to how much preload you give on the wastegate. So that's something you have to watch out for, and they come with a manual for that. Then we obviously got the seals of all kinds of that is already greased, which is nice. And then obviously the turbo actuator itself. According to some, you can raise the pressure limit on the stock actuator, but others say it can't hold more than the factory 1.2 bar. So to be safe and to raise the boost mechanically, I'm installing a 1.5 bar spring. Hopefully that keeps us within the safe limits of the engine. It should also add a bit of reliability, since the stock actuator just isn't really built for high pressure. This one feels nice and sturdy. Alright, we're coming to the end. Here we got the diagram. In my case, I'll be using the blue spring, which is rated at 1.5 bars with a 3mm preload. Apparently it can handle up to 3.5 bars, which is pretty wild. I just hope the product holds up and delivers consistent, precise boost. Alright guys, that was everything for this episode. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making the first video of this Mambatek turbo kit. Like and subscribe, and watch out for the upcoming videos where we will install this and you will see the complete transformation of the 2015 C250 Coupe. Thank you very much guys. Bye bye.